We like to have boost leaks all around. James here, KC Turbos. Today we're working on a 7.3, actually one of our technicians' truck, going with the common stock plenum insert issues. If you take a look in the engine bay, you will see that they are crushed completely right there from years of neglect, impacts, ugga-duggas, everything. Right now we have Riff Raff diesel inserts. This is probably your best choice for stock applications that are not going to be switching out to a complete upgraded O-ring plenum. As you can see, you got a retainer ring, a little slot, so we can just slide it in there and it's not gonna push past that. So we can just drop her in right there, but we're gonna need a little bit of a forceful induction. You can buy these at us. I think they're like 40, 50 bucks, kcturbos.com. Almost every truck will probably need these. These are for an early 99 and an OBS specific, 2-inch or 2.5-inch and Super Duty's 3-inch. This is a great solution for all quick repairs, weekend repairs, but we do strongly suggest upgrading the complete plenums, whether it's Riff Raff or a KC Turbo one or whoever's. We have upgraded ones because the plenums on these after 30 years, we like to have boost leaks all around these spots. You can see where this is at and how terrible it looks. You can imagine the RTV. A lot of customers get boost leaks there and they never find out that they have a boost leak because you can't see it. It's very hard to see when you have the spider and everything on there. It's really hard to tell. So in my experience, driver's side always usually gets, especially if it's got injectors or turbo pushing 40 pounds of boost, you usually get a boost leak there, the RTV blows out. So we really like the Riff Raff diesel O-ringed ones because you get rid of all the RTV, it's easy to install. Okay, so we got one side in on the driver's side and the passenger side has not been installed. We're gonna tap this in real quick. Simple tools, hammer, sometimes a crescent wrench, then some pliers. You can kind of see the shape and form of how they're going. You'll see on this one, we got tapped in, it's flush and seated with that ring on there. And now on the passenger side, the left side, we're gonna basically just push this guy in right there and get in that next inch, and then she should be good.